Hello viewers Mohan Bra Hona Nishna Aro Piswas Kora Nishna. Good Friday din. Roman Governor Beles Pahade. PC Manu Jama Kura Takish. Kunubado Poide, Kunubado Kusade. Aro environment do normal day Takanai. Manokan Hala Chila. Aro ki choose Kuribo, Aro ki choose no Kuribo. Itu opore Kunubado already decision loigina. Aro Kunubado confusion day. Ekta time de Roman laga governor khor bahar inaga thakish. Ekta side de GS khara kurigina thakish. GS to already manubra contempt kurigina aro PC mar khaigina thakish. On the other side, prisoner Barabbas khara kurigina thakish. Etu time de Jewish laga tangor festival Passover mana time thakish. Etu festival mana do Egypt ra Israeli khan Israel de kinaga pongchishe Edu commemorate kurule mana thakish. Passover festival do freedom for people choice ekta niyam thakish. Mane prisoner action do public laga choice pra chari dia thakish. Roman governor Pontius Pilate pra GS charibona Barabbas charibo kogena public khan ke choice offer kura thakish.
Inji Roma to mata awipa ala Romana monaki. Hama Krista se yengu Jisule tau hangli kasi.
Kun charibo aro kun na charibo public laga hatte thakishe. Unfortunately public khan pra prisoner Barabbas charibole choose kura thakishe. Itu very homoide. Ekchun ke freedom dia thakishe aro ekchun ke crucifixion dia thakishe. Centuries PC jaise Holebi GS to kun brabi napahuri. Billions manubra GS ki nega crucified kurishe aro jinda hoigena GS to kutte jaise as a Christian mon jane ase. Holebi Barabbas murubole thaka jinda hoa pichide kutte jaise kun brabi na jane. Aji laga video de writers khan bra aro Bible bra kwa hisab de Barabbas to kun thakishe aro tai GS samne de bra chare dia pichide kutte jaise jane gna jabo. Who was Barabbas? Barabbas to kun thakishe. Bible hisab de kwado. Barabbas to ordinary criminal nohai. Ekdam pia criminal thakishe. Kun baba kwa hisab de taido robber thakishe koyas. Aro kun baba kwado taido repeal ekta thakishe kwa honi pai ase. Roman Empire under the thaga Judea nisna de repeals khando PC pia manu nimide loa thakishe. Kile kule government lokore against kurigina even murder be commit kurigina thaga Barabbas thakish. Barabbas name itself pray janola parado Barabbas meaning son of the father. Aramaic pra kwa thakish. Aro kunwa pra kwa do Barabbas laga naam do GS Barabbas thakishe kwa khan bi ase. Edu bra crowd khan ke first name eki thaga choose kurula disine ki kuigina kwa honi pai ase. Bible laga narrative hisab de Barabbas laga naam do achanak olaigena chare dia pichide tai kutte chaise details recorded nai. Edu silence bra janebula mon hoa khan ke satisfied ekta nai. Holebi writers khan bra kiba ekta solution do loigena aha dikhi pai ase. What happened to Barabbas after his release? Chare dia pichide Barabbas ke ki hoise? Romans documents de Barabbas laga kahani nai. Early Christian text tipi Barabbas offered a clear account nai. Holebi writers and thinkers khan bra Barabbas life opore imagine kurula para ekta ase. Kunwa bra suggest kura hisab de chari dia bichide arubi criminal lifestyle le Barabbas wapas jaise kwa khan bhi ase. Kunuba interpretation hisab de tai murula thakise. Holebi GS brahi tai laga place lui dia bhabigana. PC phoi aro rest of his life to haunted type de thakise kwa khan bhi ase. Kunuba bra kwa do tai chari dia bichide GS disciples khan ke lok paigena hosapi GS ke ki hoise aro ki nimide hoise koigena janubule kosis kura thakise kwa khan bi ase. Aro kunuba bra kwa do GS pra talaga place logena Calvary cross de mora nimide Barabbas to Christianity ke convert hoigena phal manu hoi jaise kwa khan bi ase. Holebi neither of these prediction are historical facts. Agere kwa nisna empty cap fill kurubli suggest kura khan thakise. Hosabi chari dia bichire Barabbas to relief paishina guilty feel kurishina nohole confusion de thakise. Details record nai. But Barabbas' history still matters. Kilukule every Good Friday sharing day, Barabbas kahani huni. Barabbas to ekta minor figure ase. Holebi Jesus taijun laga kahani to ekta meaningful ase. Moi khan thaka dunia de mano laga awas kiman powerful ase edu samjai dia kahani ekta ase. Pia hua jani gena phal ase kuigena awas ekta re jaishikule accept kuri dia. Phal ase jani gena pia ase kuigena awas ekta hoi jaishikule pia nimide accept pura dunia laga nem. Jesus to kalti nai kuigena even Roman governor Pontius Pilate prabi janish. Holebi public laga awas to ekta hoi ja nimide Pilate pe surrender hoi ja thakish. Phal saiten nohegena pia phale maturity hua dunia ke ekdam tangor example set kuri dia kahani ekta ase. We may not know actually what happened to Barabbas after his release, but this history will remind us what we actually learned from it. To choose what is good and right and to ignore what is bad and wrong. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you all in my next video.